Hello everyone, this is Gorgeous Lola. I'm coming to you guys to do a review on a dog item that I purchased, a dog jacket. I have a dog that's Chihuahua and Dutch Hound, which is basically a chow weenie. It's a Chihuahua and a long little weenie dog. And I ordered off of Amazon.com. The company was Kuoser Cozy Waterproof Windproof Reversible British Style Plaid Dog Vest Winter Coat. The reason why I did purchase this item was because I thought that it kind of looks like a um, Burberry jacket, so to say. So, and I'm into fashion, so I might not be done fashionably right now. It's nighttime where I'm at. So this is the coat that I purchased, and it's a size medium. The cost was only $14.99. I ordered it September the 21st, and it came in September the 6th. This is what it came in first. It came in this from Amazon. This is anybody that orders or do a lot of shopping online knows that the little smiley face is the Amazon package. And then when I opened it, this the jacket, the coat was inside this. Okay, and I got a size medium. And the jacket, and to be honest, even though I read you guys the cozy, waterproof, windproof, reversible thing, I really didn't pay attention to. I was just really looking at the picture. So when I got it, I was so amazed that it actually was reversible. So I'm taking it off so it can be a nice little stylish jacket on the outer side. And then if you're taking your fuzzy animal outside during the rain, then it becomes a raincoat. See? And it has dog limb. So I think it's really cute. To be honest, the jacket is a little big for my dog because my dog is really skinny, but like the length of the jacket fits my dog, but the width of the jacket is kind of big for her. But I like it, and I don't really return things. I just work with it. But she will most definitely wear it in the winter. It's gonna get ready to be winter time where I'm at, so she will wear it soon. Okay. So, if you guys have any questions, please leave me a comment. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.